If your Trello invite isn't working, you might not be able to add members to your board or workspace. Yeah, this can happen if the invite link fails, permissions are restricted, or there's a temporary issue with the platform. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you several fixes that usually solve the problem. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address or username. Even a small typo can prevent the invite from being sent successfully. Next, check your permissions. You need to be an admin or have the right access level to invite new members to a board or workspace. If the invite wasn't received, try resending the invitation. Sometimes emails don't go through on the first attempt. Another simple fix is checking the spam or junk folder. Invite emails can sometimes end up there instead of the inbox. If the invite still isn't working, try using a different browser or device. Browser-related issues or extensions can sometimes block the invite process. And finally, check Trello's server status. Occasionally, service issues can prevent invites from being sent or accepted, and that's it. One of these fixes usually gets Trello invites working again so you can add members without issues. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.